I get asked more about this subject than any other, and it is one of the most difficult to explain in a manner that people really know and understand how to apply it in their life. Many of my readers worldwide ask me why they can't seem to get the law of attraction to work for them. They read, study, and practice what many teachers tell them to do, and they still cannot manifest their desires in life. The answer is simple, and I'm going to be blunt about it. You cannot control the law of attraction unless you can control your mind. Period. Your ego probably doesn't like this statement and will tell you it's not true. Your ego will allow you to read this whisper, but it will attempt to have it dismissed from your mind and filed away and move you on to other thoughts. As always, it is your choice to read this, then know it, then apply it into your life. Many so-called gurus sell the law of attraction as a sexy new way to get what you want in life. And they make tons of money with their courses and programs. There is no doubt the law of attraction is real, it always works without fail, and is at your disposal on demand. But you have to have a high enough level of control of your mind to make it work. Albert Einstein said, "You cannot solve any problem with the same mindset that created it." That is so true. Once you learn how to think the proper way and begin to control your mind for periods of time, you gain access to the limitless potential of everything you want in life through a change in your mindset. In our world today, our attention spans are practically non-existent and seem to be getting shorter all the time in the high-tech society we live in. This seemingly magical source called the law of attraction is a proven fact of quantum science studies and is available to us as a natural law similar to the law of gravity. You know for a fact that if you trip and fall, the law of gravity is going to cause you to hit the ground. The law of attraction is just as powerful and real as the law of gravity. It basically states that what you focus the majority of your thoughts on, what you focus your feelings on the most, and how you usually act is exactly what type of circumstances, conditions, events, people, and style of life you will attract and live with on a daily, weekly, yearly basis. Again, the law of attraction never fails to work, affects every person on the planet, and is a proven scientific fact. We may not understand all the scientific principles of it, but that doesn't change the fact that it works. And therefore, it has rules. Rule 1. You must control your mind and thoughts. There is no point in learning Rule 2 if you can't get past Rule 1. Your ego didn't like that, did it? The fact is, your thoughts and feelings and actions have defined exactly the type of life you are living as you read these words. Where you are now is a direct result of all your past thoughts, feelings, and actions you have taken up to this point. You need to believe and accept this truth, and you need to know it is your reality. Think hard about this for a moment. Observe where you are right now in life. You are right where you put yourself using the law of attraction without even knowing it. Only when you accept the reality of this truth can you begin to use the law of attraction on purpose, not accident, as most people have done most of their lives. But you simply cannot use this law if you are not the controller of your thoughts and feelings. In the beginning, you may only be able to control your thoughts for 15 short seconds. It doesn't matter. To begin to be able to observe you controlling your thoughts is the first step to learning how to make the law of attraction work. When you learn to control your thoughts for 15 seconds, it will quickly turn into 30 seconds. Then a minute. Then 5 minutes. Then longer. When you get to even 30 seconds or a minute, you can feel the difference in control you will have. In these short bursts of control is when you have the power to use the law of attraction on purpose. All of my whispers should help you to learn the truths of self-discovery and living with mindfulness, which in turn will allow you to begin using the law of attraction in the correct manner that will bring you what you desire in life. Outside of these present moments of consciousness, control, the law of attraction is not available to you on purpose. You are using it unconsciously, as you have always done, to keep you thinking the same thoughts and feelings you always have had and keep you right where you are in life up to this point, attracting the same things you have always attracted. Can you imagine all the great things you can begin to bring into your life during these periods of controlling your mind and using the law of attraction on purpose? This is when the law of attraction really begins to work for you and allows you to begin to design and create what type of life you want to live. And when you practice being in control in your present moment, the time you can hold this control grows rapidly because you can see and feel the difference in your awareness and consciousness. Your brain is functioning at its highest level when you are in control and giving your subconscious specific directions through your thoughts and feelings. It is in this time that your subconscious mind decides this is what you really want in life when you use the law of attraction on purpose, and it will move heaven and earth to bring your desires into your reality. This is when you have the law of attraction working for you on high speed. When you control your thoughts and feelings. Your subconscious mind always accepts the conclusions of your conscious mind and is only there for you when you are in your present moment. In your now. You now is when you can use the law of attraction. When we lapse into our normal awake but asleep state of mind, which is filled with chaos and worldly garbage, we lose control of our natural state of consciousness, and the law of attraction is not available to us at this time on purpose. It is still working and attracting more of our present lifestyle to us, but not what we want to attract. It is attracting more of what we have always gotten. Using the law of attraction, creation is not a secret. It is not complicated. It is just a natural law of life we can learn to use by controlling our thoughts and feelings, if only for a short time, to begin to design and create our future. The goal of using the law of attraction is to not want, but to begin to truly know what you desire. It is to design and create the life you want in your controlled mind, then act and feel as if it is already yours from that moment forward and is real. Then trust it will come to you and let it go and allow it to come when, where, and how God, higher power, or the universe decides. The when, where, and how is not your decision and not for you to worry about. Your only job is knowing absolutely that you already have it because you designed and created it in your mind, and that it is coming, and to look for the opportunities that will surely be presented to you to make it manifest in your physical world. Most of us focus only on what is happening on the outside of our life. Begin to focus on what is happening on the inside of your life also. Remember, what you desire is already formed in your life the instant you design it and create it in your imagination with controlled thoughts and feelings, and using the 5 senses to see it in your life already happening and knowing it is yours. As an example, if you want a new home, take a few minutes in a quiet place and imagine every detail of this home you want in your mind. See how beautiful it is from the street. Walk up to it in your imagination and see the beautiful yard and smell the fresh cut grass. See yourself opening the front door and walking inside and seeing all the beautiful furniture and walls and flooring. Walk into the kitchen and see the new stainless steel appliances, the marble countertops, and wood floors. Open the cupboards and see all the beautiful dishes and silverware. Go into the master bedroom and see the huge wooden canopy bed with plush bed covers and the skylight over the bed. Walk into your closet and see the hundreds of outfits and shoes lined up neatly. See yourself walking out onto the deck in back and notice the huge gas grill and outdoor bar and how this makes you feel. Glance over at the swimming pool and see how clear the water is. Notice how fantastic it feels to you to live in and own this wonderful home. See your kids enjoying this fantastic home and how much they love it. See yourself entertaining your family and friends on holidays and how proud you are of this wonderful home. This is a brief description of how to design what you want in life using the law of attraction, and I would advise you to go into even more detail, such as going through each room and imagine it in your mind with those intense thoughts and feelings. My point is that the more detail you imagine in your mind with controlled feelings and emotions on purpose, the more powerful your message to your subconscious mind of what you desire will be. You can design and create whatever you want in your mind using your imagination, and when you add great detail with imaginative thoughts and feelings and mental pictures on purpose with a controlled mind, you send a powerful message to your subconscious mind that this is what you really want. Once you have designed and created this desire in your mind in detail, it comes to life because you used controlled thoughts and feelings to send the message to your subconscious that this is now real for you. You can know it is real because you have seen it in your mind in great detail with a high level of thinking and feeling. At that point, it is real. It may not be here in your physical reality yet, but it surely is a real thing in your mind and emotions the moment you create it. Keep this detailed desire in your mind and recreate it as many times as you can in the coming days, weeks and months with the same thoughts, feelings and emotions and details. You can use this technique to design and create whatever you want in life, whether it is finding the love of your life, getting a new job or business, new cars, more money, better health, saving animals, helping other people, or anything your mind can imagine and focus on that you are passionate about. No one on earth can stop you from knowing what you choose to desire in life is coming to you. Your job is to simply choose the state of mind that you are now going to allow your subconscious mind to bring everything you know is yours to come into your life physically. Tell your subconscious mind you now allow it to bring all you desire into your physical life whenever it is ready to bring it. Your job is not how or when it will come. Your job is to begin to see it coming. Imagine what you can do with this gift. The law of attraction is the most wonderful, hidden gift we have been given in life. So few on the planet know of it and know how to use it correctly. Once you learn to use the law of attraction correctly, you will only be limited by what you dare to design and create in your future. Click on the link in the description below for your free manifestation toolkit and start manifesting today.